Hello everyone and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Mass Macallan Off-Campus Drive 2021. So guys, there are a lot of comments and personal DM to me by the students that sir please update some any graduate jobs or diverse field jobs because there are a lot of jobs of BTech, that means software engineer or IT sectors. So guys, today we are here to discuss about a job that's eligibility is any graduate. So guys, you can see the salary is approx 2.1 LPA, means in the official notification they did not mention about the salary, but we somehow manage from our sources that the salary is approximate to 2.1 LPA. So we will going to discuss about how to apply eligibility criteria, job locations and all those things. So watch the video till the end, and those who have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that if there is any update, so you will get it earlier. So in government private job alert series, we usually update 2 to 3 videos on regular basis, and we nowadays are preparing the playlist for the students to help them, and that is absolutely free of cost. No charges will be taken from the students. Initially, we started with our global edge preparation strategy, and after that we started with TCS smart hiring, and now currently till 13th June we did with Infosys playlist. So that is of last 5 days strategy only. So we will be increasing the last 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, we will be increasing accordingly. So guys, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लीजिए. सो चलिए गाइस डिस्कस करते हैं. सो वी आर हेयर फॉर अ डिस्कशन ऑफ मास मैकलन ऑफ कैंपस ड्राइव. सो लेट्स गो और देखते हैं क्या क्या चीज़ें इनमें चाहिए होती हैं. लाइक जैसे मैंने आपको बताया अभी एनी ग्रेजुएट. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू वी विल बी कम्युनिकेटिंग इन हिंदी एज वेल एज इंग्लिश so that everyone can be so that everyone will be benefited. So guys, let's go then. जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हो, एज यू आर लुकिंग इन द स्क्रीन, सो वी आर ऑन द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ मास मैकलन एंड आवर बिजनेस student graduates culture. You can see it in the tabs. So you can see the post is associate, as I think I haven't mentioned about the post in the thumbnail. So the post is associate, and let me tell you, from there you can apply. From there you can apply, and by this also you can apply, like hi, are you interested in this job? If you will apply there, yes, I'm interested, so you have to upload the resume and all those things. So you can apply from there also. So let me cross this. So now let me tell you some of the more things. So like I told you, the job location, yes, definitely job location is your Mumbai. So after that your associate position is there. So what can you expect, means by this position what can you expect is, देखिए, जो आपकी an opportunity to understand end to end life cycle for UK insurance broking, place to enhance your knowledge on work which is undergoing transition. So ये सारी चीजें आप एक बार रीड आउट कर लीजिएगा इन्हें. सो उसके बाद बात करते हैं व्हाट इज इन इट फॉर यू. मींस what is in it for you means you have to, like what will be beneficial things, or like what will help you, like by this post, what will enhance your skills, like enhance your skills by various development programs offered in house, opportunity to build on your insurance knowledge through CII course, all benefits as per the location HR policy will be applicable. So these are the benefits and the things which you will get from this job. So let's come to the what we will count on you to. So you can see it: manage on queue of work to ensure timely delivery on all cases as per SLA, understand and process cases as per process guidelines and checklists. So guys, these are the basic things you can read out by pausing the video. So let's go. So these are the what you need to have. So what you need to have means what they are looking for. So they are looking for good verbal and communication, as well as oral as well as written communication skills. After that, your attention to detail. After that, ability to learn new processes and systems, ability to adapt to change. After that, ability to prioritize and organize tasks. So these are the things, mean what you need to have, or what they are searching for. After that, education, as I told you, any graduate can apply. So this is a good and beneficial thing, mean for any graduate. For example, some of the comments are BCom, BSc, BA, BCS. So there are a lot of specializations that sir please post some of the job openings by this course, by this course. So that is why I have taken for you any graduate, means you can apply, any of the graduate can apply this. So after that you can see the experience also, 0 to 2 years. That is also really good. 0 to 2 years means if you are fresher, then you are also applicable. That means you are also invited. And if you are having 2 years of experience, then also you are invited. So that means 0 to 2 years means 2019, 20, 21 can apply. I think not 21, but 19 and 20 are obviously applicable to this job. After that, what makes you stand out? So good working knowledge of MS Office. So I think this is really basic things means MS Office, Word, etc, etc. So these are the things. So I already told you the explore location, that is Mumbai. Your location will be Mumbai, and you can apply from there. So after that you can also email this job to yourself or a friend. Okay, it is for your referrals, so doesn't make any sense. So you can apply from there only, or as I told you earlier, you can apply from there. And as I told you here, that from this chat box also you can apply. So there are many things. So I'll post this link in the description section, so you can apply to this. So all to this video. And one more thing, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to get daily interesting and information videos.